everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Careem account on a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now, let's get started with the video. Make sure that you've downloaded Careem application on a mobile device. If not, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Careem in the search box. Download this application that says Careem Ride Delivery Pay. Once the application is downloaded, tap open. Allow necessary permission for the application, and from the first interface, you need to type in your mobile number in the text box. Select your country by tapping on the drop-down and enter your phone number. Tap on the box where it says phone number and select your country code. Type in your mobile number that is registered with Careem account. After you type in your phone number, tap continue. Enter the PIN that you've received via SMS sent on this particular number. Once you receive it, type it in or paste it in. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Careem account quick and easy. With your Careem application logged in, you can book a ride, order food, shop, pay or become a captain. That is how you can easily log into your Careem account on a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.